Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing animated character couples for the past few weeks. Last week, we drew one of the most classic cartoon couples of all time, Fred and Wilma Flintstone. And I figured I couldn't draw Fred and Wilma without drawing their best friends and neighbors, Barney and Betty Rubble. It's hard to believe, but in all my years of drawing cartoons, I've never drawn Barney, or Betty for that matter, before. So that's something I need to rectify today. And just as a reminder, everything I draw in these videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the Level Up Cartooning process works, and it definitely will work for you. Okay? So let's draw. We're going to draw Barney and Betty step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character should be. Barney is one of those characters where the head is virtually part of his entire body shape. Barney is basically an egg, with his head making up the top half of that egg shape. So if you take just half of that egg, the head, and use it as your measuring unit, Barney's entire body is roughly 2.5 of those heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2.5 of those. Betty, on the other hand, is much taller and slimmer. She's taller than Barney by about half of a head, and her total height comes out to about 3.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw the shape for her head, her entire body is about 3.5 of those tall. So right away, you can see their proportions are vastly different. Like Wilma, Betty is elegant and streamlined, longer with more realistic legs, whereas Barney's legs look like tree stumps. Oh, and like Wilma Flintstone, Betty's feet are actually no bigger than one of Barney's toes. So look for that. Okay, so let's lay out our roadmap for today's pose of Barney and Betty Rubble. So there's a roadmap of Betty and Barney. Now before we move on to step 2, I want to break down both characters using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Alright, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. This is where we use light guidelines to help place Barney and Betty's eyes, nose, mouths, and other features. Remember, these guidelines are not a part of the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for Betty and Barney Rubble. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Barney and Betty Rubble. Now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. This is where we get to draw in the details of Barney and Betty because we've already done all the hard work. We're not guessing anymore. Now's the time to slow down and clean up your lines and make any small adjustments before committing to those final lines. But even while you're drawing those final lines, you should still be looking for ways to improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Okay? So let's draw in the final details for Barney and Betty Rubble. And that's how you do it. There you have it. One of the most lovable and recognizable couples in television animation history, Barney and Betty Rubble from the Flintstones. So how do you think you did? Understand, if this is the first time you've ever drawn Barney or Betty, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I didn't spend time coloring our couple during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Barney and Betty Rubble. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Barney and Betty. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.